Welcome to Mo Money. This is a channel where we will discuss how you can make more money to influence or to enhance your current lifestyle. We will discuss budgeting, savings, as well as financial opportunities, as well as improving your finances within your day-to-day, weekly, as well as monthly. We will also discuss opportunities within gaining new employment or enhancing your current employment. We will talk about quick strategies to make money. We will also discuss side hustles to make money. We will discuss things such as real estate and investments, all things that involve making more money. We will discuss it here on this channel. So if that is something that you like, then, and you feel like you can actually benefit from making more money, then by all means, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's get started making more money for you.